What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J Reed's Love of Cars. So today I'm gonna do a quick video for you. Today I need to fix my tail lights. When I was painting the car, taking these old ass tail lights off, part of the mount broke. So what I did was bought some longer screws that I hope are long enough to reach into the broken part and rethread it in there. So we're gonna try to get that done. And I also need to replace these struts. I may do this in this video. I may split it up, make it 2 videos. I don't know. We'll just see. But anyway, let's get to replacing, tightening up these lights where they broke. So as you can see, I got the trunk braced up because I need to replace those struts. Like I said, that may be in the video, another video. Right now, see this? These broke. This light is only hanging on by one screw. So before I go out and buy tail lights, because that's not in the budget, I'm going to see if I can replace these with longer screws to go into, I don't know if you can see it, to go into the part that is still on the tail light that's broken, because it's still, and these are self-tapping screws that I bought, I think. So we're going to see if they are going to work. I need to take this back off right here, take those screws out, and get to work. So if you ever run into this situation, which you probably won't, this is one way you can fix it. So just so you know, these are the screws that were in there that broke, and these are the new ones I'm going to screw in. So I got one right there, 2 right there, and 1 right there. So let's get to that. Check this out. I bought this little 100 pack of washers on Amazon, 5x16, 5/16 by 3/4, 100 pack. Boy, have these bad boys come in handy. Okie dokie, so that worked. I don't know if you can see it. They're in there nice and tight and snug through the beam. I had enough to make it work. In fact, they're probably in there better than they were before. Now I just need to clean off this overspray on them, clean them up real good, and there you have it. So if you ever take out your lights, if you ever break your lights, the mounts off on the base, save yourself some money, because it's going to break off right where the screw ends. Just get you a longer screw, which I got one that was, I took the screw in the store with me, I took the plastic in the store with me to make sure I got the right screw, and I got one that was double the length of where it's screwed into. That way I knew it was going to go into the other one. So there you have it. And it's hot. So we got that fixed. That didn't take no time. Sun came out and I thought it was about to rain. It's hot. So we may have to do the struts later. I ain't gonna do it right now. Look how I'm sweating that quick. But anyway, like I said, if you ever have that issue, which you probably will if you're dealing with a 30-year-old car, just get you some longer screws, kind of like, because they're almost like, I think how you think those are sheet metal screws. either way, they grip into the plastic and it works. This your boy Jay Reed. Hope you got something out of this video. Talk to you later. Peace. Battery's about to go down.